Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. You don't need to break the bank to start using AI. Did you know there are actually loads of fantastic free tools out there waiting to be discovered? Imagine having a chatbot that can answer questions, provide information, and even generate text on the fly. That's exactly what you get with ChatGPT's free tier. You can ask it anything from simple definitions to more complex topics like science or history. It's an excellent starting point for beginners, and the best part? It's absolutely free. Now, let's talk about Claude. While it's a fantastic tool for more advanced users, its free tier is better suited for those who want to test the waters before committing to a paid plan. If you're looking for a chatbot that can understand nuances like sarcasm or idioms, ChatGPT is probably your best bet. But if you're just starting out and want to get familiar with AI-driven chatbots, Claude's free tier might be worth considering. So, which AI tool is perfect for complete beginners? In my humble opinion, it's got to be Google Gemini. It's a fantastic conversational AI that can answer questions on a wide range of topics, from science and history to entertainment and culture. Plus, it's free and easy to use, making it an excellent starting point for anyone new to AI. Now, let's talk about Canva AI. You know how sometimes you need a picture to go along with your message? Well, Canva AI can create stunning images for you in just a few clicks. With its advanced algorithms and vast library of templates, you'll be able to craft eye-catching graphics that'll make your content stand out. So, which free AI tool should you try first? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. But if you want a chatbot that can answer questions and generate text, start with ChatGPT's free tier. For something more visual, head to Canva AI. And if you want a conversational AI that can answer questions on any topic, try Google Gemini. The best part? All of these tools are available for free, so what are you waiting for? Sign up in 60 seconds and start exploring the world of AI today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the next episode.